Have you ever worried about someone copying your Figma design? Well, fear no more. In this video, I'll teach you how to easily enable read-only sharing in Figma. This simple trick will help you protect your work and maintain control over your design. So let's dive in Figma interface. So when we are open our Figma, so it's look like as it is every Figma design or layout is something similar. So I made this video before and again people are commenting in my video. So what is this option? So before I show you this option, let me clarify one thing. So this option is only for the premium user or the who have an education plan. So first of all, when you open your Figma, basically what everyone did, they are just go to the share, copy link, share to their colleague, clients or teammate, anyone. So when they open it, that time they have access to copy this file like this, if they copy your file and paste it here, you see it's easily pasted here. So the main thing is how can you protect this thing? So it's not a very complex thing. Again, I mentioned that this is not for the free user. So this is only for the premium user who use Figma Premium or education plan. So let's back to my Figma. So when we back to our Figma, what should you do? Just click on the share button. When you click on the share button, after that you see there is a lot of option here and the previous toggle button or the filter button is removed from the Figma new update. So what should you do? You just go to the anywhere option. So you see here. So when you click on the any share option, then after that you see there is the option here that this call name is advanced. So advanced option, you see they are already mentioned that you can copy, share, export, etc. So you just uncheck this one, okay? Then everything is done. No one can copy your design. You can share it something like a read-only mode or as like a prototype, but no one can copy your file. You don't need to add a password or anything. So no one can copy your file because they are already mentioned it. So just get to that save and copy your link. Let me open it by another user. Okay, I open it by another user. So basically you see, this is my photos and this is another user F further. So let's see, am I copy it or not? You already see they mentioned that it's locked. That means you don't have access to copy this file. So let me copy this file. Let's see. Okay, let's copy and here to paste. Okay, you see there is no paste option here. And I'm not pasting here anything because the file is already read-only mode or locked. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share to your friends and family. Bye bye. See you next video.